Mercedes SLK amplifier location. So to be able to find the amplifier, you need to remove this plastic. You have few screws, then you need to lift this cover, this drawer, and here is the amplifier. To remove the amplifier, you need to disconnect the optical fiber, the power connector with the speakers, and you have 4 screws. This car has no sound, so we will now remove the amplifier and we will fix it. Thanks.